Hi, this is David, Bristol Snow and Landscaping. Show you a couple tips for putting in the weed block. So we got weed block here, and my first tip is here. We're folding. You want to have an overlap of about 6 inches approximately, so there's no issues coming in. Second thing is, instead of cutting right up to the edge, it's easier to fold your weed block fabric, and I like to fold it under because now there's nothing for it to catch on here on this upper layer. So fold your weed block under, and that gives you a good edge. If you make some kind of mistake, not a problem, you can go back over it. Now you can try to put the staples in. These are smaller staples than we normally use. So I'm going to have a really tough time getting this through. So what I'm going to do, make a punch there. I'm going to line this up, make a second punch there with the knife. Now I can use those holes to get through the weed block much easier, and it's going in real nice. So again, use your knife. Use that to cut your slits, especially like this area, because it's overlapped. So I'm punching through 4 layers of fabric here. That's the way to go. So that's 3 tips for putting in the weed block. We got this pretty much set up, and we're going to start putting in the stone in just a second.